Hello everybody and welcome back to another mystery box function challenge. In this purple mystery box there is a function, something that takes the numbers you put in the top and changes them, and they come out the bottom changed. You can find a link in the description to try this out. Put in as many numbers as you want. They'll be charted here in this little chart so you can keep track of what you put in, what you got out. They'll also be graphed, at least if they fit between the +10 and -10 on the X and Y axes here in this graph, so you can have that as a piece of help to determine what this function is. So your job is to figure out what's going on inside that mystery box. So pause the video, give that a try, and see how you do. All right, so I'm going to start with 0 like usual. So here is 0. What are we going to get today? So I put in 0 and I get out a 4. So what could be going on here? Maybe we're adding 4. That could be. So let's put in a 1. If we're just adding 4, we'll get a 5 here. Oh, we did not get a 5. So maybe. Well, actually, it looks like a line, right? Well, any 2 points would look like a line. If this is a line from these 2 points, it would have a slope of -2. So maybe we're multiplying it by -2 and then adding something. I guess adding 4 then, if that's the case. So let's put in a -1. If we multiplied a -1 by a -2, we'd get a +2. And then if we added 4, we should get 6. So that would plot it way up here. Let's see if that happens. Aha, okay. So I'm feeling pretty good about this. I'm going to make a guess here. So I'm going to say f of x is -2x plus 4. And let's test a couple more to see if that really is going to work out. So if we let's put in something a little further to the left here. Let's put in a -2. Okay, so if we multiply that by -2, it'd be a +4. If we add 4 more, it's going to be 8. So that should be up here. Yes, that looks good. How about something further out here? Let's do maybe a 7. And that would be, well, not a 7. Let's do a 6. So that'd be a -12 when we multiply it by the -2. And then we add 4, we should get a -8 from that. So let's try that one. Do we get a -8? We do indeed get a -8. So I'm pretty confident now that this is -2x plus 4. So I'm going to go ahead and reveal this. And we were absolutely right. It is f of x equals -2x plus 4. Now let's graph it too. There's the line, slope of -2, y-intercept of +4. Well, how did that go for you? Did you figure that out? Did you go down any blind alleys? Did it convince you it was something else before you came up with the right answer? Let me know. I'd love to hear. Thanks, everybody.